Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to see how to use zoom feature using Canva. For this, let's take an image. I've taken this image and I'll just fit this image into this box. Now I will see this option as animate. Just click on this one, move down, and there is an option called photo zoom. Just click on it, and as you can see, the photo is zooming out. You can zoom in and out of the both photos depending upon your requirement, and you can just save it. Now if you download this, it will now this has been downloaded. Let's open. As you can see here, this is working as a short video. You can use it as in short, YouTube short, or Instagram depending upon requirement. You can also create multiple pages and can create a series of images around this one. So that's it from this video. Thank you for watching.